Are you currently in Australia and running out of the visa options and considering New Zealand as your next study destination? You're watching a right video. Hey guys, my name is Tara Sajwani. I'm a registered migration agent and a licensed immigration advisor for New Zealand. And we at Soul Migration are introducing our services for New Zealand study option and migration. Yes, you heard it correct. To know more about these services, feel free to join our Study Expo on 8th of August 2024 in our Brisbane city office, where there will be representatives from New Zealand universities, and I'll also be there, where we'll be offering you one-on-one counseling regarding New Zealand visas. So what are you waiting? Feel free to register. The registration link is mentioned in our bio, and I'll see you in the next video.